In this video, I'm going to show you how to export as FLAC in Ableton Live 12. Now to do this, you want to go to the top left, click on File, and from here you want to click on Export Audio/Video. You could also use the keyboard shortcut if you wanna. It's Ctrl plus Shift plus R, and both are gonna open up this window over here, which is the export window. Now you can then go ahead and select your selection over here and change all of these options on here, and the most important one while exporting as an FLAC file is to go to the file type and then change from WAV to this one over here, the third one, which is FLAC. So click on that. Again, you can then change your bit depth and options and stuff like that. And then over here, you can just click on the export button whenever everything is done. And as you can see, you can select where you want to save it. I'm going to go to my downloads. You can rename it if you want to, and then just click on save. And that's really all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.